Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to appear offline on your Instagram account. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your Instagram app, click on your main profile and click on three lines. And after this, here is the option of setting and privacy. Click here and scroll down. And here is the option of messages and story replies. So you need to click here and click on show activity status. So you need to click here. So this type of interface will be open. So first one is the show activity status. So if your show activity status is on, then you need to click on off. So when this is off, anyone can't see that you are online or offline. So if you want to show your activity to your friends or any other peoples, then you need to click on. And if you don't show your activity, then click on off. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.